Yo lads, and ladies too, got curls acting up? Here are 4 top conditioners that actually work. Let's go 1. SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus. Curl and Shine Conditioner. This one's a goat in the curly hair game. It's got coconut oil to hydrate, silk protein to smooth things out, and neem oil to fight frizz. If your curls feel dry, dull, or all over the place, this brings them back to life. And the smell? Straight up tropical vibes. Affordable, reliable, and perfect for thick curls or coils. If you're new to curly hair products, start here. 2. Olaplex Number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Now, if your curls are damaged from heat, dye, or just stress, Olaplex is your bestie. It works on a science level, literally fixing the broken bonds in your hair. You'll notice less breakage, more strength, and smoother curls within a few uses. It's on the pricier side, but totally worth it if you want that bounce-back transformation. Also super lightweight, so no greasy buildup. Just strong, healthy curls. 3. Briogeo Curl Charisma Conditioner. This one's for my clean beauty crew. No sulfates, no silicones, no harsh stuff, just pure moisture. The rice amino acids help your curls hold shape and resist humidity, aka goodbye frizz. And the avocado oil, it nourishes deep without weighing anything down. Great for type 2 to 3 curls that want definition without the crunch. This is lightweight but powerful, aka perfect for everyday use. 4. Ouidad Curl Quencher Moisturizing Conditioner. If your curls are tight, dry, or just thirsty AF, this one goes in. Packed with botanical ingredients like algae extract and wheat amino acids, it delivers deep moisture while helping your curl pattern pop. No more dry, crunchy strands, just soft, juicy curls that hold shape all day. It's especially clutch for type 3 and 4 curls that need a moisture boost. Also great for detangling in the shower with zero drama. Taking care of your curls doesn't have to be deep, fam. Just use the right stuff and you're set. Which one you trying to cop first? Drop a comment, tag your curly-haired homie, and hit follow for more low-key hair glow-ups.